You can never judge a book by its cover. It's a really, really bad thing when you start doing stuff like that. But you look at these older buildings that have been remodeled a couple times and people have always tried to fix them right. And then they become rental properties. And sometimes the people that rent them don't care about them as much and try to get into boxes and do stuff. So FP&L goes ahead and puts some really fancy locks on to make sure that doesn't happen again. This particular one, burn up the top lug on the right side, which would be the B phase, to the point that a meter won't fit in it and won't deliver power. FP&L was kind enough to put a jumper in there. And my job will be figuring out if we need to get a permit for this or what exactly we need to do. Schedule with FP&L so they should turn off the power so I can safely work in there and replace that meter block.